today we have attended a fantastic workshop that has really attempted to explore educational and business collaborations between Australia and the MENA region.
It's like a mix between Western countries and also the Middle East. Like, it's so modern, but it still has so much culture and it still has so much history.
There is so much potential for us at Flinders University to be able to develop those key relationships both across education and across industry.
I think connections and events like networking and understanding and meeting different people, you can build on those relationships and go from there. Those markets are just going to continue to grow. I think they're quite unexplored, particularly by Australia, and there's so much opportunity over there for our product and services. So I think it would be, once you did it, you would never look back, and you would have some really incredibly valuable insight, particularly with business and corporations and dealing in those spaces and regions.
There are some excellent opportunities for education service providers, for vocational and technical service training providers, Australian companies that are doing that, but also to increase the number of Middle Eastern students in Australia.
A big part of what we're doing through these types of events to promote Arab-Australian bilateral capacity building is to start in developing those key collaborations and those key connections to enable us to have those key relationships in education, research and industry.
Flinders University really places a lot of emphasis on the nexus between academic, industry and government as a holistic approach to education. Our students these days will be working in Australia, but potentially could be working anywhere around the world.